sir.
How old are you?
7 years old.
Assalamualaikum everyone. A very good evening to all of you. How are you all? Hope that you are doing great. Today I am with my student. He's my lovely student. Okay, so his name is Juba. So today we will discuss everything about him, and he will give his intro. I mean information or self introduction. So today, why am I making video with him? Because of he wanted to make video with me, and he's very crazy for making video. That's why finally we are going to make one beautiful video for everybody. So are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
So okay, it will be a conversation video, and Juba will give me the perfect and proper answer. Okay, so finally, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, so hello Juba,
Hello, sir.
how are you today?
I'm fine today. What about you?
I am very well today. So what is your full name?
My full name is Farah Chuba.
Okay, what is your nickname?
My nickname is Chuba.
Okay, that's very nice. Which name may I call you?
You may call me Chuba because my father and my mother call me Chuba.
Okay, that's very nice. How old are you?
I'm 7 years old.
Okay, you are 7 years old. Oh my God. Are you a student?
Yes, I'm a student.
Okay, that's nice. What class do you study?
I study in class 2.
Okay, he's study in class 2. That means he's very little boy. Okay, just pray for him as if he can speak English very fluently after how many months? 2 months or 3 months later. Okay, are you confident?
Yes, I'm confident.
What is the name of your school?
My school name is Biam Laboratory School, Shomangon.
Okay, that's very nice. And what is your father's name?
My father's name is Bodrul Hussain.
Okay, what does your father do?
My father is an ideal show builder.
Okay, that's very fine. What is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Hajara Begum.
Okay, what does your mother do?
My mother is a housewife.
Okay, that's very fantastic. Okay, where do you live?
I live in Shunamganj at Kazipur.
Okay, he lived in Shunamganj. No, he lives in, because he is third person. Okay, so he lives in Shunamganj at Kazipur. Okay, and what is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
His favorite color is blue. What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is strawberry.
Okay, his favorite food is strawberry. So what is your favorite food? Please let me know in the comment. We want to know what is your favorite food. Yes? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So that's fine. How many siblings do you have?
I don't have siblings.
Oh my God, so sad. Okay. Then what is your favorite language?
My favorite language is English. That's why I want to speak English.
Okay, that's fine. Are you happy now?
Yes, I'm happy.
Are you enjoying this video?
Yes, I'm enjoying.
Okay. Are you confident?
Yes, I'm confident.
Okay. So that's all for today. It is our great conversation. I hope you enjoy this video. So, এরকম ভিডিও আরো পেতে
আমাদেরকে ফলো করুন।
That's all for today. Goodbye.
Goodbye.